Welcome to Soothing Pod's Meditation. In today's session, we'll delve into the sense of worthiness, building our relationship with ourselves and the world around us. Find a comfortable seat in a quiet spot. Gently root down into your sitting bones and let your spine straighten upward. Close your eyes and take a few breaths to settle in. Relax your face, soften your shoulders and arms, and rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Now check in on how you're feeling. Notice if you feel present and relaxed. And set the intention of fully stepping into your practice today. Call yourself in, landing into your body, into your mind, and into your heart. And now turn to your breath. Take a few deep cleansing inhales and exhales. As you allow your breath to soften into a natural rhythm once more, let your attention rest on the sensations of breathing. Direct your awareness to the feeling of moving your breath in and out of your nostrils. Feel the fresh air entering your nose and the warmth of your breath as you exhale. And then gently direct your awareness to your breath moving in your chest. Feel your chest rising on the inhales and gently falling on the exhales. And moving your attention further down, notice your breath at your belly. Without forcing it, feel your belly gently expanding on the in-breath, softly contracting on the out-breath. Now, without overthinking, choose the place where your breath feels clear and easy to follow. As you rest your attention either at your nose, your chest, or your belly, simply watch the effortless ebb and flow of your inhales and exhales. Stay present with the changing landscape of sensations as your breath moves effortlessly in and out. And every time your mind wanders, call yourself back to this place with gentle kindness. Now let your attention widen. With so much importance being placed on status, power, or material gain, it's not surprising that we classify people and things as being more or less important than others. But with this classification of worth, we might not always offer ourselves or others the respect and reverence that's deserved. We can end up disregarding our own needs in order to care for someone else, neglecting our own feelings or those of others. But what if we took the time to reevaluate what's really important? By reconnecting with our innermost values, we begin to reestablish the weight of things. As we deepen our meditation and mindfulness practice, we open up to the importance and beauty of the world. We learn to acknowledge that everything and everyone has a place and a worth, developing reverence for ourselves and others. And as our own bodies, minds, and hearts become something that we approach with care, this trickles out to the choices we make, the actions we take, and the way we treat people and the environment. So let your awareness grow beyond your meditation practice. Offer yourself, others, and the world around you the same kindness and respect you might naturally offer someone or something you deemed as worthy. And it always starts with yourself. Now gently return to your breath. Notice your body in space. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.